If your plant leaves look like this, and you want them to turn like this, use this simple method. Take one fresh lemon and cut it in half. Now squeeze the lemon juice into 1 liter of clean water. Lemon juice helps clean the leaf surface, removes sticky residue, and creates an environment that fungal problems don't like. Now add just 2 to 3 drops of vinegar into the same water. These few drops gently balance the solution and help break down stubborn buildup on the leaves without harming the plant when used correctly. Mix it well. This mixing step is important because it allows the lemon and vinegar to work evenly, creating a mild plant-friendly spray. Then gently spray only the affected leaves, front and back. Make sure the spray reaches the surface where dust, pests, or fungal spots usually settle. Do not over-soak. Light, even coverage is enough. Do this in the early morning or evening, never under strong sunlight. This timing protects the leaves from stress and allows the solution to work slowly and naturally. Repeat once a week, and you'll notice cleaner leaves, better shine, and healthier growth naturally. Over time, plants breathe better through clean leaves, which supports stronger growth and a fresher, more vibrant look.